Hey guys, Hypercritical going here. I'm in a 2020 Honda CR-V. I'm going to do a cold start on it, but first and foremost, a couple of shoutouts. The Car Kids, check his channel out. I think that's the name of it. It used to be LG Vlogs, but I think that's his new name. Josiah Cuthbert, check his channel out. Logan's videos, check his channel out, and also DanielElevators. Check those channels out. I was going to do one more, but apparently they deleted their video, so I don't know what's going on with their channel. But anyway, 2020 Honda CR-V cold start. Not a push button, actual key. Alright. Requested start, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a couple seconds, and then 1, 2, and then quarter down. And there you go. That was a cold start on the 2020 Honda CR-V plus the shoutouts. Comment, rate, subscribe. Please, everybody, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.